Hello, feature artists. We are at Universal Studios Orlando, Florida, and we are here to explore Minion Land. And I'm here with Noelle again. Hi. And we're going to see all the great artwork that they have to inspire our next art project. Hello, artists. Our project is inspired by my visit to Minion Land at Universal Studios, Florida, specifically the Minion Cafe. This restaurant is full of creative art and whimsy. We are going to create pet rocks, like the ones displayed on the walls of the Minion Cafe. Let's go over the supplies you will need for this project. You're going to need a rock, hopefully a smooth rock so you can paint on the surface, acrylic paint, just like a primary yellow, a blue, and white, a black Sharpie, a foam brush, a paintbrush. You need a googly eye, and some glue dots. Okay, so the first thing I did was I took some rubbing alcohol and I cleaned off the rock. Your rock is probably a little dirty if you got it from outside, and I even actually ordered these on Amazon because I wanted a nice smooth rock, and they were dirty because they're outside, right? After you clean off your rock and it dries, you're going to use your foam brush and you're going to paint on the front a layer of your white paint, like a primer. Kind of when you're painting the walls, gotta prime your rock. We want the bright, vibrant colors to come through. Just on the top where we're gonna paint, you can see I did that on mine. I didn't paint the back. Just the front of your rock. Okay, I painted 2 coats on my rock. You want to let it dry in between each coat. And once it's dry, you can start to paint your color on your rock. You're going to take your paintbrush and we'll start with the blue. And we're going to paint the bottom half with our blue. Put a little line there. And this is going to be your Minions overalls. They wear those little blue overalls. They always have the blue overalls. Okay, you're going to want to do 2 coats of the blue as well and let it dry in between each coat. Once you're done with your blue paint, you're going to paint the other half with your yellow paint and do 2 coats and let it dry in between each coat. Now you'll need your black Sharpie and you're going to draw a little pocket with your black Sharpie. And then you're going to draw on your yellow part a black line across the top for the eyeball and a little smiley face. Okay, your last step is you have to stick your googly eye on your pet rock. If you remember earlier in the video, all the little pet rocks had googly eyes. So we're going to take a dot and we're going to stick it on with a glue dot. So we don't have to get out that hot glue gun today. Right? Some days hot glue guns work best, but today they don't need that. We just need a glue dot. Stick that googly eye down. And there you have it. Well done. You have made a minion pet rock. And can you tell me the name of this minion with the one eyeball? Leave it in the comments below. I hope you had fun today making your minion pet rock and maybe your new friend. And remember, if you can imagine it, we can create it.